Ahem. Welcome to another Moonstruck lore species video. Today we're talking about goblins, everyone's favorite little green things, and their origins and place within the world of Moonstruck. So strap on in. Unlike most species in this world, goblins have no clear monster progenitor. Their features, size, and build vary, but the most common trait among all of them is that they're short, this being the result of some DNA just not mixing very well with others. But aside from being short, they usually have immensely thick necks and green skin. Most of the night folk tend to stick together in groups and communities separate from humans, but goblins are the exception. Not that they live with humans, more that they live by themselves, being outliers even in their own subspecies of humans, due to their more animalistic nature and tendencies. Some are very intelligent, but most are sort of feral, but even then they have their own cut-off, sected, weird, inbred communities, but then again, they're basically just hillbillies, most of them anyway. Now, while goblins have no clear progenitor, I figured, since this is also an opportunity for me to try drawing the monsters, since it's something that I'll never get around to for the main show, a potential progenitor of goblins, or at least one of their progenitors. Once again, a whole grab bag of foreign DNA in the mix there. Fun fact, the thick necks of goblins are because in the past, when hunting parties would go after them, they would sort of just hold them down with a stick and kind of stomp on their neck. So evolution blessed them with a very thick spine. Goblins are like cats in the sense that they can twist and contort themselves in various ways without actually breaking anything, you know? Last video, I spoke on how harpies are treated better in human society due to their pleasant features and lovely feathers. Goblins are on the opposite end of that human appreciation scale. While generally viewed as basically animals, some goblins with higher levels of intelligence, which is basically just human intelligence, are taken in as pets due to their ability to clean and bathe for themselves, but still act as a lapdog or, animal substitute when necessary. Now, this is really fucked up, but some goblins are willing to, sort of just grin and take the humiliation in exchange for a nicer life within civilized society. Speaking of civilized society, the next thing we'll be covering is the humans and everything they have going on. The humans and the church, so stay tuned.